Hey guys, we got this EVERKITCH range hood, 30 inches. It's a under cabinet range hood with a fan and a kitchen vent hood, stainless steel kitchen stove vent hood for ducted with permanent stainless steel filters. So this is all the unboxing. So I am just showing you the protection and then all the parts. This is the main duct with the LED lights, and you can remove this sheet, and this is all stainless steel with a 3 speed of fan and the LED light button. So these are the permanent filters that I will show you little later on. So this is a really nice steel. As you can see, this is the top part where you have this ducted portion here. So you can connect your duct with this portion. This is the electric switch that goes with it. So it have a powerful suction as well as dual strong motors. This is the plate like where you can put and book the marks. These are the screws that comes with it to get it under the hood, and the manual. But manual is simple, straightforward, and all those things are supplied with it with the screws and everything. So I just connected this with the electric plug, and you can see the power of the fan. Everything is coming on top here. This is the fan suction, and these are the three unit of or 3 speeds of the fan that you can use with the button, and then the LED light switch. So it have a stainless steel filters and the bright LED lights as well. And yeah, so you see the LED lights, they are really bright, and it lights up the the stove surface, and also like their sleek design. And you can see the filters, you can just turn it here. These are the super fans, so two motors from the other side, and this is all the steel. So these are the steel filters and permanent filters you can just take and clean or wash. These are the hooks. So this is a really nice underhood, simple functioning one, and really a nice one.